Hi friends, welcome to BAFNA Cars. Today we have got a Volkswagen Virtus in-house for the complete Audison active setup. Friends, what we have done in this vehicle, particularly in this vehicle, is we have installed this Voce components for the front. Those are the active ones. We have installed this Audison active subwoofer. We have used the connection cables. We have used this Voce amplifier wiring kit, which is again the top of the line. We have thoroughly damped the entire vehicle with all the four doors, especially with the dicky as well as the dicky door, with this Paramet 2.4 mm thickness damping sheets, and we have powered the entire setup with this Audison active processor. Come, let's explore.
Always and forever the last day alive, the last day alive. कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल हर पल, कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल हर पल 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 पल। बाकी थोड़ी सी है जिंदगी जगी धड़कन नहीं, जाना जिंदा हूँ मैं तो अभी, कुछ ऐसी लगन इस लम्हे में है, ये लम्हा कहाँ था मेरा।
So guys, hope you have liked the promotional videos of this setup, and along with the audio upgrade, we have also done the complete PPF on this vehicle from Garware Premium. As usual, is one of the finest and the best product. So friends, we have got Mr. Pawan with us, who belongs, this fantastic beast belongs to him. We would appreciate if you can share some views on the entire job what we have done for him. Pawan sir, welcome. Thank you so much तुम्ही आम्हाला opportunity दिली काम केल्याबद्दल. सर तुमचा थोडासा जे काय रिव्ह्यू आहे सर, तर प्लीज दोन शब्द प्लीज सांगा सर. ठीक आहे, ठीक आहे, प्लीज सर.
गेल्या 8 दिवसापासून मी गाडी लावली होती पीपीएफ आणि साऊंड सिस्टीमसाठी. तर 8 दिवसानंतर मी गाडी पाहिल्यानंतर मला खूप आनंद झालेला आहे. खूप छान असं काम केलेलं आहे बाफना कार यांनी, आणि त्याच्यासाठी मी त्यांना धन्यवाद बोलतो.
So friends, for any of your requirements, you can always call us. We will come back with the best of best solution. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for the next. Thank you.